Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial where we'll delve into creating those trendy AI profile images. Without further delay, let's dive in. Firstly, fire up your preferred browser and head over to www.bing.com or simply Google Bing AI image. Once the page loads, click on the Sign Up button. If you already have an account, sign in using your Gmail credentials. Now that you're in, locate the search bar and either paste or type in your prompt. Get as creative as you can with your input. For demonstration purposes, I've prepared a prompt in advance. I'll paste it into the search bar and hit Generate. Give it a moment to work its magic, and voila! Your AI images are ready to roll. Choose any image that catches your eye and download it to your computer. And there you have it. That's all for today's tutorial from Kui Arts. For more concise and to-the-point tutorials, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.